Hey there Vizsla lovers, if you are looking for a fun and interactive way to bond with your Vizsla, teaching them TikTok dances can be a great option. In this video we'll go over some tips and tricks for teaching your Vizsla TikTok dances that are sure to get them wagging their tail and grooving along with you. So let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right dance. The first step to teaching your Vizsla TikTok dances is choosing your right dance. Look for dances that are simple, easy to follow and have repetitive movements. Your Vizsla will be more likely to pick up on these types of dances and feel confident doing them. Some popular TikTok dances that could work well for your Vizsla include the Say So dance and the Can't Touch This dance. Step 2. Break it down. Once you have found a dance you want to teach, it's time to break it down into a simple, easy to follow steps. Watch the dance video a few times and take note of the individual moves. Then try to replicate these moves in a slower, more controlled way to make it easier for your Vizsla to follow along. Breaking the dance down into smaller parts also helps to avoid overwhelming your dog with too much information at once. Use treats and positive reinforcement. When teaching your Vizsla TikTok dances, it's important to use treats and positive reinforcement to encourage good behavior. Give your Vizsla a treat each time they successfully complete a dance move and shower them with praise and affection to let them know they are doing a great job. Positive reinforcement helps to reinforce the behaviors you want to see and makes the training process more enjoyable for your dog. Step 4. Practice, practice, practice. The key to teaching your Vizsla TikTok dances is practice. Keep working on the dance moves with your Vizsla until they start doing it properly. Take things slowly and repeat each move several times before moving on the next one. This helps to reinforce their behaviors and make them more familiar to your Vizsla. Consistent practice over time is the key to success. Step 5. Film the final product once your Vizsla has mastered the dance. You can film yourself and your pup dancing together or just film your Vizsla doing the dance on their own. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family and on social media to show off your Vizsla's new talent. The internet loves adorable dog videos and your Vizsla's TikTok dance may go viral. Additional tips. Keep training sessions short and sweet. Vizslas have a lot of energy and may get bored or restless if training sessions are too long. Try to keep each session to around 10 to 15 minutes. Use high value treats to motivate your Vizsla. Cheese, chicken and hot dog are all great options. The more delicious the treat, the more motivated your dog will be to learn. Be patient and kind. Teaching your Vizsla TikTok dances should be a fun and positive experience for both you and your dog. If your Vizsla is struggling with a particular move, take a step back and try again later. Pushing your dog too hard can lead to frustration and stress. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the fun and exciting world of teaching your Vizsla TikTok dances. Remember, it's important to keep things fun and positive and to always use the treats and positive reinforcement when training your dog. With patience and practice, your Vizsla will be a TikTok dance pro in no time. We hope you find these tips and tricks helpful and informative as it's a great way to spend quality time together and it can also be a fun way to showcase your Vizsla skill and personality to your friends and family. Plus who knows, your Vizsla's TikTok dance might go viral and make them an internet sensation. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about training your Vizsla. If you have any other fun and creative ways to bond with your Vizsla, let us know in the comments below, and as always don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification to stay up to date on all our latest videos about Vizslas. And for now, thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.